My mom and dad have a friend who is a very old monk. So he suggests my parents that it will be nice if there is some monks from your family. So first my mom and dad decide my eldest brother to join the monk. At the moment he is already matured, so he decided not to take this life, the monk's life. And then my second eldest, he said no. My third eldest, he was at the school at that time, so he was at school, so therefore they couldn't ask him, At last it came on the base there. Yeah. But at the time when I came here, I was very small, तो कुछ मालूम नहीं था, don't know anything about what's happening, what is monk's life, ये क्या है, and even we don't get the studies that we used to have in schools. क्योंकि मैं class 3 तक गया हुआ था ना, तो कुछ मालूम नहीं था, and it was like something very new, very sad, separating from your parents, But then time goes and went on. Find it one of the best life at the moment. But the worst thing is separating from your parents, because until 9 I have lived my life with my parents, तो तब कुछ समझ में नहीं आया. But then at the age of 18, 19, changes start coming. So then realize what are life.
Did your parents tell you before that they were going to send you to the
monastery?
Yeah. So they didn't just say, okay, go play. And then
no, it's not like this. They have told me you are now becoming a monk. I have seen monks, but don't know what they are. So they say, you are joining the monk.
And did you ever want to have a girlfriend or get married?
Not at all, because 9 years to until now, which means 20 years, I've been living with monks. So yes, I do go out sometimes, but not we can say, oh, what a nice girl. We used to say, really, frankly speaking, okay. But, dil mein kuch chahat nahi tha, like having a girlfriend. So far, no, kya kehte, not interested. Aur kuch chahat bhi nahi aata hai aise, because I think things are totally depends on the environment where you are living. Because in this monastery, the monks don't talk much about they don't talk about their girlfriend, क्योंकि उसके पास है ही नहीं. तो उसलिए environments really helps you to change your thinking. So 20 साल का environment won't be easy to change in few minutes,
Buddhism के philosophy क्या है?
Buddhism to seek for permanent happiness, because at the moment, yes, we do feel happy, but it's not for permanent. Because with time changes, And to have this permanent happiness, one has to enlighten. So Buddhist philosophy is teaching the way to get enlightened. This is the only basic thing. So in the morning, it's 3 hours memorizing, and from 9:30 Tibetan, English, and some monks are Buddhist sculpture, Sand Mandala, 12 baje until 12 o'clock. Then we have a 2 hours break. And from 2 to 5 we have a Buddhist philosophy classes. And the small monks, I think they have a Tibetan classes. And then the dinner time at 6, and 7 to 9 they once again memorize scripture. And from 9 we have a very short prayers. हमेशा रात को every evening we do it. So it takes around half an hour, and from 9:30 they used to debate. So we don't have a fixed time for debate. If the monks are interested, they can go for whole night. But not less than an hour or something.
Okay.
But in a bigger monastery they used to where there's thousands of monks, they used to go on, carry on for whole night. During free times, when it is holiday, the monks can go outside the monastery. But at the weekday during the classes, at free times, they cannot go outside. They have to stay in their rooms, sleeping, reading books,
I've seen some monks playing carom.
Yeah, it's only on during the holiday because it's Sunday today, na?
Okay.
You have seen the monk doing
Yeah.
And you said you played on a cricket team?
Yeah. Oh. Yeah. I used to but it's in this monastery. It's not only in this monastery. In most of the monasteries, not allowed. Times are changing, so listening music, these things bring some pieces, sometimes it can be fun.
Yeah.
So I don't find anything strange in
Yeah.
having iPod, mobiles are these days, one of the easiest ways to communicate with people. So I don't find anything strange in keeping these days.
Yeah, and so a lot of the monks here, like that are your age, they listen to iPod.
Most of the monks doesn't have, because over here in this monastery, around 80% are from a very poor family. The overlook, they cannot afford to buy these things.
Yeah.
But there are monks who have.
Yeah.
So
What about mobile phones?
mobile phones? Yeah, in some monasteries, for example, one of the biggest monastery in South India, they banned mobile in monastery. And there was another monastery, they can keep mobile, but not very fancy mobile, or with camera, they cannot keep it.
Yeah, alag ringtone.
Yeah.
Okay.
What about email? Do you have email and stuff like that?
Yeah, we have to go to the town for it. My mobile is ringing. Please. Turn off.
Okay.
Nga 공부 리와 고도 치료 되게요. 아니 이게 너무 좋아하네. 고도 드럼에는 가지고 올다.
What about music? What's on the iPod?
That iPod was not mine, but I love listening Indian ghazals.
Do you any particular?
Ghulam Ali, Ghulam Ali, and Jagjit, only two. तो दूसरा सुनता हूँ लेकिन इतना नहीं. तो Western music तो कभी-कभी समझ में नहीं आते.
Yeah. Do you consider yourself Indian or Tibetan?
Obviously Indian.
Or is it a bit of both?
Not both, For me, I can call myself Tibetan. I consider myself as a Tibetan because it doesn't matter that whether I'm born in India or born in Tibet. It doesn't matter, Once your mom and dad are Tibetan, it's obviously going to be Tibetan.
Yeah.
And the second thing is that, I was born here, but still we don't have a citizen. We all the Tibetans are still considered as a refugee, so the refugee doesn't get citizen,
Have you ever been to Tibet?
No.
Would you be able to go to Tibet?
Once, my mom and dad. It's very strange, we are going to our own country and have to apply for a visa from a country which is not ours.
Yeah.
We have to apply to go to our place, our country, from a different country, from Chinese embassy.
Do you have a strong attachment to the country, do you think?
Very truly, not that much, because we don't know much about Tibet, कभी-कभी सुन लेते हैं, देख लेते हैं, but then growing up in a different country in India, so it's like 50-50.